What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to create PayPal account free, fast and easy. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First what you need to do, just open this website. I leave this site in description of video. When you open this site you will see let's get started. Check you here where you live and get started. Choose your email address and go next. Check here I'm human. Type you here phone number and your code from your country and go next. You will see confirm your phone. Code has sent to your phone mobile. When you confirm your code, create your password and go next. Choose nationality, first name, last name and date of birth and go next. Type your address line here and check this I'm confirmed and go I agree and create account. In this step you will see this shop or send money, just not now. New window will open, you will see link a card. In this case you don't need credit card to get money on PayPal, just click not now. And you can see guys we have successful create our PayPal account. Click this notification and you will see to get money on your account you need to verify your email address. Click this confirm email address and go send and you will get message on your Gmail, just click confirm email. When you verify your email just log in it one more time. Okay guys, when you verify your PayPal account you can get money, but first you can create a PayPal Me account. To get your link you can send this link to your friends and friends can donate your money on your PayPal link. Just go on your browser and type PayPal Me and open this first site and you will see your business link to getting paid. Create your link. Click here create PayPal Me profile. You can choose your photo or not now and choose your name for your link. When you do this like me, go next. Check this also and go I agree and create. Go done. Your profile is live. When you do this all like me, just go one more time in your Gmail and you will see message confirm your email address to activate your account. Click this. When you do this step like me, you will have an active PayPal account. Just go here in settings and you will see here your PayPal Me link. Copy this link and open a new tab and you can see guys we can now retrieve money from PayPal and people also. Just share your link with friends. When your friend open this link they will see send and they can send you money on your PayPal account. And that's it guys for this video. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button. I see you in next video. Type me in comments below if you have some question. Bye guys.